Welcome to STEMinism Club.
Hi guys, STEMinism here. Today we're going to be taking a look at an intro to Python. So Python is a pretty flexible and powerful programming language, and good news is it's pretty easy to learn. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started with Turtle. Turtle is a great way to learn Python, and it's super fun. So we're going to use trinket.io, which is online, so you don't need to download anything. And you open up the window, and then you might see a window that's already filled up with code. You can just go ahead and delete that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say import turtle. So turtle is a module which is built in Python, so when you use it, it comes with a whole lot of pre-built functions which you can use. So we're going to say t equals turtle.turtle. What this is going to do is it's going to create a new turtle for us, and it's going to set it to a variable called t. Now, if I say t dot forward 100, then when I hit play, my t object, my turtle, is going to move forward 100 units. Now I can use a bunch of different functions, so I can say t dot backward 100, which will go backward, or I can say t dot forward 100, t dot right 90 degrees, t dot forward 100, in which case it'll move forward, and then I'll turn right 90 degrees and then move forward again. That way, if I wanted to create a square, I could just duplicate this, so t dot right 90 degrees, t dot forward 100, t dot right 90, t dot forward 100. Which now if I run it, then I'll make a perfect square. So using Turtle, you can maneuver your turtle object around and control not only its direction and distance it travels, but you can also do a few other things with it. Now, there are two functions which may be useful, is t.penup and t.pendown, which when you use them will cause your pen to go up or down, which means that if you say t.penup, then I'll stop drawing, and if you say t.pendown, then I'll start drawing. And when I say drawing, I'm referring to the line that it leaves on the screen. You can also change the color of your pen. Um, right now here it's green. Um, so, and I set that right there at the end. Now if I set it at the beginning, then see, it would start out as green. And then it would also leave a green line. So you can use turtle in to create a whole lot of different things. And you can also you can also use innate inbuilt Python non-turtle methods to create what you want. So if I said for I in range 100, so let's say 360, then now I can say t dot right 1, t dot forward 1, and now it draws a circle, because what it's doing is it's repeating 360 times, turning right 1 degree and moving forward 1 degree. Now, I might be saying, well, I have a turtle. It's the turtle module, and I'm creating a turtle, but it's an arrow. It doesn't look like a turtle. So you can actually go ahead and you can change the shape of your turtle. So if I want it to actually look like a turtle, I can say t.shape turtle. Now it's a turtle. Now I can make my turtle green, and I can say t.pen up, and then t.forward, and now, oh, not bad, t.color green, and now when it moves, then it actually looks like a turtle. So there are a whole bunch of things that you can play around with turtle, and if you want to know more and find out more about how you can use turtle, then you can go to the Python documentation on turtle. So here we go. It's docs.python.org/3/library/turtle.html. And this contains a lot of info on turtle. For instance, you can change things so that you can make the turtle invisible by saying hide turtle. Now it's gone. Or if I don't say pen up, then it will draw a line, but just won't be apparent. You can do things such as change the size of your line, or change just the pen color and not the whole turtle color, and lots more.